Nextiva is a VoIP provider that recently rebuilt their entire platform to create Nextiva One. The new software allows you to manage all your conversations and engage with customers and teams in one easy-to-use platform. Today on Agility Communications, we'll go over the Nextiva VoIP solution and all of its unique features. Nextiva's all-in-one communication solution allows you to use less apps to get more done. What does that mean exactly? Think of your typical workday and how many apps you access all day long between emails, social media, texts, phone calls, video conferences, CRM tools, and so on. There are a bunch of them, right? And most of them don't work well together, so you end up duplicating a lot of effort. Or you have to jump between apps the whole time. Nextiva puts all your conversations in one place on one app for phone, SMS, text, video, and email, together with customer experience and productivity tools. First of all, let's take a look at what the desktop software looks like. You'll notice that every interaction you have with a client shows up in this string, whether it was a text, a call, or an email. So in one tool, I can see our conversation thread and also respond in the same tool. Next, you can see a screen pop from my contacts telling me not only who is calling, but their account value, what they last rated their customer experience with us as. I can answer the call and make a note during the call in the same app, and then, by the way, create a calendar meeting for our next follow-up. That's powerful, and you won't find it in any other system. This is what makes Nextiva unique and why we recently added it to our recommendation list. Next, let's talk about the features included in the Nextiva phone system. You get unified communications with voice over IP, video and chat, unlimited calling, faxing, and texting nationwide, host unlimited audio and video meetings, 24/7 support, free toll-free virtual voicemail and auto attendance, top-rated Android and iOS mobile app, easy-to-use desktop app. You can send text messages from your mobile device or your desktop, access historical and live call data analytics, and get real-time call tracking with custom reports and dashboards. The second area I'd like to dig a little deeper into is the integrated customer experience tools that we talked about earlier. Nextiva has pioneered connected communications from the ground up to provide actionable customer insights in real time across all channels with communications at its core. In this example, let's say you want to set up a survey that goes out after every call your team has with a customer. There are pre-formatted templates for simple customer surveys to provide feedback and a rating for their interaction with your company. The cool thing about it is there's no additional work required to manage and track results. The system automatically keeps track and tags those surveys to find and tags them to your contact. If that wasn't magic enough, check out this next capability. Let's say one of your customers gives you a 4-star rating or better, and you can tell the system to automatically send an email giving them, say, 10% off their next order. It gives you the ability to delight your customers without some extra complicated software solution. Nextiva gives you the ability to satisfy all your customers without having to individually follow up on every interaction yourself. Here's another cool angle for this feature. Let's say your customer gives you a 2-star rating because they received faulty equipment or something like that. The system automatically jumps that contact up to the top of your list to make sure you address the issue. With this built-in customer experience feature, you always know before you pick up the phone exactly how your customer feels about your business. Now, this is like a $10 add-on that you simply download a plugin, and then you can easily set it up. So it's a great feature, and I haven't seen it anywhere else. As always, we're here at Agility Communications to help make you a more agile business in the marketplace, and we would love to help get you some special pricing on these fantastic features on the Nextiva system. So give us a call today. Click the link below, and as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.